And we're live. Hello, welcome to episode 3 of the 15-minute show. Last episode I called it a podcast, but, you know, don't know. Notice in last episode is more depressing. I didn't talk about anything, didn't make any jokes, so I set up a few little humdingers, that I think you'd like. If you heard that, I just got Snapchat. I don't know who. But I think it's time we bring our first guest on. Let's call the main man of the hour. Let's give him a call. A FaceTime call. He's gonna pick up. It's 4 in the morning, by the way. But he'll pick up. He'll pick up. Anytime now. You know, the funny thing is, I think he won't pick up. Okay. Well, how about our second guest? Give him a call. Just don't mind it. Just waiting. Check Twitter. Well, cool. No guests today. I believe so. So, Fitz. Well, like, anyway. So, you probably, what?
Yes, I know you're not looking to game at 8K, and no, the 3080 doesn't claim to be able to.
What the fuck? I know the first thing you noticed was that. Oh, shit. Was that. It's gone. Guess what? You're probably wondering what's gone. The fridge is gone. Anyway, yeah. Such a dumb joke. Why did I do that? No, the fridge is gone. I had to move it. Where? It's in the closet. See? Don't look away. Why? Why message me? Why? Stop it. Stop it. Imagine if it just did like a backflip. Like, ah, my eye, ow. You know, Have I ever told you the definition of insanity? It's doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. It's only been 3 minutes? Have I not been... It's only been 3 minutes. I feel like I've been talking for 7. Jesus. Oh. That's your mama calling. Oh, fudge. You know, we're gonna get one more guest on. We're gonna try. One person I know who will pick up because they don't have a life. Let's have a recurring friend come on. Ah, here he is. Come on. That's not what I wanted. My day is ruined. Yeah, you know this guy? They're not picking up. Who sleeps at 4 in the morning? Clip that. Hey, your chat, clip that. Anyway, topics. The new Oculus. What? The new Oculus is coming out. It's white. Kind of, which they did backwards. Um, well, good luck getting in any colleges for that joke. I know the new Oculus looks cool. I might get it, but I'm probably gonna get the last. Last thing would be getting a new Oculus. Getting the new Xbox first. If I have any money left, I don't have a lot of money. I only have this many bucks. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna play Stickman. Hangman. Alright, so. Oh. Well, no, that's just a punching bag. Anyway. I don't really have any topics. Like last time. I bought Among Us. I haven't played it yet. I think I mentioned this last time. I bought Among Us. I played a little bit. Actually, I lied. Played a little bit of randoms. Got killed in the first 10 seconds. Me. Got killed. Yep. Cool. So I did as anyone would do. I left and couldn't queue back up because the servers are full. Because everyone and their mothers play that game. I had a friend watch my own show, and he put it up to the mic because we were in an Xbox chat because I'm gay. We were in an Xbox chat, and he just put it up to the mic, and I could just hear every lisp and speech inflection that I just produced that night. That night was last night. That night was being an hour ago. Not an hour ago. A year. Shut up. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to him. Yeah. He knows where he is. Anyway, here's my wallet. It's made out of something. And in my wallet, I have my IDs. My school IDs. Probably can't show you my real ID because that's my address. But, probably shouldn't show you the backs because, I know no one's going to watch this, but still, it has my school. Old school, but, old school. Old school. Put it in the car. Put it in the car. Put it in the car. Put air in the tire. Air in the tire. Yeah. As you probably gonna notice, this sounds a bit better because I don't have a fan going off, in the background. Just not expecting it to sound that bad, but I feel like it's gonna be a little bit better. Other than that, no, still no topics. What did I do today? I went to class. We talked about art and Odysseus, whatever his name is, his journey, the hero's journey, journey, not journey. You hear me? Journey. Wake up. Anyway, yeah, no, we talked about that in class. Other than that, not much. Just dozing off at the end. That's me. This is totally me when I'm driving. What is this?
Excuse me, Mr. Shrek. Could
Oh.
you do that ogre roar of yours for my son?
Hold up, wait a minute, wait up.
An ogre only roars.
Hold up, wait for it.
You don't want to see me angry, do you?
That's not funny. You don't even see it. I bet you can barely hear it. Welcome to a new segment I call... How is it 9 minutes? What? The time. Welcome to the segment of me looking at Twitter. Oh, he's cute. Oh, that's a woman. Imagine being gay. Not me. But if you are gay, that's cool. Oh, gotcha. You're scared. I scared you. Ha ha ha. Oh, that hurt. I don't know why. Oh, I have one big joke, by the way, at the 15-minute mark. Why does that hurt? Why did that hurt? I have one big joke. It's gonna include this Coke can, and then like I don't want to spoil it. Anyway, played Outlast 2. One sitting, took 8 hours. Played it so long, my friend went to bed because I was still playing at night. So it was pretty cool. Ending was pretty cool, I guess. Weird is what I want to say. One day I'm gonna actually press that record button, but it's not gonna record, and I'm gonna do 15 minutes and not even notice it. So what's your guys' favorite Pokemon? Mine's Charmander. Oh, she's got big boobs. You guys should really try Twitter. It's really peaceful. It's peaceful. It's very friendly. You can make tons of friends from Twitter. I know one guy. I know of one guy. He's really friendly guy. His name's Keemstar. He is friends with a guy named Alex, even though he seems like he's not. Anyway. Want to see me do a Fortnite dance? Say nothing if you want to see me do a Fortnite dance. Aha, okay. I guess you gotta do a Fortnite dance. You got a little sound like, oh. Hey yo, I'm doing it. Oh, we have 2. We have 2 minutes left on the episode. Da 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 da. I'm the D-O-D-O-D-O-G soup dog. That sounded like J.G. Wentworth. J.G. Wentworth. Hold on, what's worth? Oh, I had it. One sec. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, the ending is coming up. I don't know if you guys can see that. You guys can see this? It's every 2000s commercial ever for video gamers and yogurt. Anyway. I need to prepare for the last joke. Oh shit, I should buy spit. Okay, so here's a cock gun. There's cock in a cock gun. Here's a Coke. There's a Coke on a cock gun with cock in it. Alright? What if we get a little bit crazy? Follow me on this train of thought. Coke, cock, cock gun. I'm like Coke, cock, cock gun, and like cock. Let me do it right now.